Hey gang, it's Bryan from FXBilliards. Today I'm going to give you a new twist on an old drill. What we're going to do, playing the semicircle drill, is we're going to play the first half of the balls with a series of draw shots. If you do nothing else, you need to practice these shots where you're just moving around the table from side to side. Draw shots on each one. If you notice, there's no English involved. I will throw some left-hand English on this one to get to the other side of the brack. And then, after we get to the other side of the table, we're going to shoot a draw shot on the 6 just to get position on the 2, and then we're going to shoot everything else with a follow stroke. Both of these drills, follow and draw, are essential if you're playing games like 8-ball or straight pool, especially where the table is crowded. Obviously, these shots are going to come up in rotation games like 9-ball, not as much as other games, but make sure you have these shots in your game where you can put the proper touch and the proper spin on this ball, usually without any English necessary. Here I have to put inside English just to straighten out for the 9-ball, but most of these shots, as you saw, did not require any type of side spin. Work on these, have these in your game, and we're going to close out the video with the original double semicircle drill, which is all draw shots. Enjoy the video. Have a great day.